What's up, guys? My name's Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we're reacting to Jakarta City, Indonesia by drone. Jakarta drone view, Jakarta, Indonesia.
That's a name.
And yes, we have done a Jakarta drone video before. It has been over a month, I believe. And I would like a refresher. I would also like a different view from another drone.
Or really people's opinions and thoughts and all that stuff.
Yeah, because the other videos kind of lost its... I mean, it's still getting plenty of views and it's still relevant, but it's losing its relevancy. We're not getting as much contact with our Indonesian following like we would, and we want to get back in contact with you guys, and we feel like this would be the best video to talk with you guys in the comments.
100%. Now, I do have a question. So we did do the video about it's Jakarta that's sinking.
Yes.
So I got a question. It's just kind of a stupid person from across the world kind of question. So if they were to move their capital, would y'all follow as a whole, or do you think the majority would stay in Jakarta? Does the fact that it's a capital matter to you, or is it just strictly just the big city to live in? Like some people move to New York just because it's New York.
Yeah.
So let me know down in the comments. I'm just curious about that. But let's go ahead and hop into this.
Let's hippity hoppity hip hop in.
I want to see this roundabout in person 100%.
I know.
This is that big one, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Because we have small ones, but we don't have...
Yeah, and they're usually in like neighborhoods. It's not like a huge relevant like in the middle of the city.
Yeah. And guys, follow this channel if you like his content.
Yeah.
And it's so cool that they've got the fountain in the middle, and it kind of makes it interactive. It's not just a roundabout.
Yeah, it's just, you're actually
like
paying attention.
it's something to actually look at.
So let's look here. I don't know. There's something about skylines that I love. Like, look at this stuff.
Yeah.
Like, how different is that?
I didn't even notice that. That's cool.
Yeah, and then you got this guy. It looks like they're still building. And then you got these two. You got like twin towers here. You got twin towers here. And then you got like a doohickey here going on.
Look at that doohickey.
I love doohickeys. And then I'm guessing this is some type of train or tram in the middle.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
And y'all drive on the wrong side of the road. I'm going to get so much hate for saying that. Dude, look at that. It kind of reminds me of a boat.
Yeah, I remember seeing that in the last one.
Either reminds me of a boat or a narwhal. One of the two.
Yeah. It's so dope. Too bad they don't keep the fountain on all day. But
it looks like it's on.
Does it?
Yeah, look at it. It's all white right there.
Oh, it's just not shooting as hard, I guess.
Or it just different
we're just
view.
really
we're too
high.
far away.
The lights at the top of these buildings. Up there, the pink and blue, and then pink and blue. Those are two of my favorite color I thought we had it behind us for a second. Those are one of my favorite. I guess I could have just looked up there. One of my favorite color combos is pink and blue, just because it's like, it reminds me of cotton candy.
Yeah.
And I like cotton candy.
So I got a question. So somebody from one of our Malaysian videos said that they turn off the lights from the Petronas Towers after midnight, which for us, I think that's pretty out of the ordinary, because we have lit up buildings here too, but I'm pretty sure they're lit up 24/7 once sun goes down, which is not 24/7. That's actually like,
and it's probably not good for the electricity grid, the electrical grid.
Power grid,
power grid. But
yeah, that's true.
So I guess there's pros and cons to it.
Yeah, because that's one of the coolest things.
After you turn it off, but it saves energy.
Is this a walkway? Look at this.
I'd hate to walk it.
Yeah, just drop me off up front, please. Again, I like cities like this a lot.
Yeah.
Versus like a New York, Chicago style city where it's just super condensed in one area. Yeah, I like this. So you can actually kind of enjoy the city in different locations. Mm-hmm. That's kind of how Dallas is designed.
Yeah.
Just a lot smaller, I think. No, Dallas is smaller. Let me say it like that.
Yeah, Dallas is smaller.
I didn't want you to think I was saying Jakarta was smaller. 'Cause I think Jakarta is way more populated.
Oh, I missed it. That's so beautiful.
That's so cool. It's like a mini me right here.
Look at the triangle sloped.
This one right here.
Yeah, that's dope. Yeah, all the colors are fantastic.
We're like the biggest idiots of architecture. We're like, check out this.
The triangles.
It's so pretty. Yeah. Some guy's like, no, this is designed like this for blah, 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 blah
And
reasons.
that looks like a mosque down there to your right.
Yeah. And then this looks like a hotel.
Mm-hmm.
If I put money on it, I would say a hotel. Or outrageous apartment complex. That would be so cool.
Yeah.
However, trying to get your groceries up to the top.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you got elevators. Don't get me wrong. It's still just a pain.
Sea blue. Ooh. That's it. I'm sorry we keep pausing it, but this is my favorite thing in every building is a sky view swimming pool. There's another one it looks like right there.
Yep. Wow, why would that looks like I mean, it might be a part hotel, but it looks like a city center where you do, or not city center, but
We'll talk over it for the next couple
yeah, because
minutes.
we're
That way
pausing
we
a
don't have to
lot.
pause
We know
it so
y'all hate
much.
that. That's cool. This part right here. Oh,
Yeah, the lines up the building.
it looked like it was checkers.
Yeah.
And then you got homes, is what it looks like.
And right here, they've got some greenery growing on the buildings.
Yeah, I like that a lot. I do want to go to Jakarta, just straight up.
Oh, yeah. The random people coming up on that building.
Yeah, I saw
look at
that. So what's kind of cool is it doesn't seem like that's like the center of downtown.
Right.
Like I like the fact that it's not in the center.
There's a football field.
Kind of.
It
It's
looks
a
like-
multi-purpose.
Yeah.
Because it's got the
And that
running
looks
track.
Like a tennis court or something.
Oh look, I know what this is for. This is for Quidditch.
Oh, Quidditch.
You add the circles
At
on top.
Hogwarts.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
I think that's for actually rugby, but still. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to let y'all know I spent time in prison. Ask me what prison.
What prison?
Azkaban.
Oh,
I'm a gangster.
it's a Harry Potter reference.
I'm pretty sure they are aware. Or at least a portion is. They're like, these guys are idiots.
There's another mosque that disappeared.
That's why you got to pause because things move so fast. That's cool. That's
what life is,
right
though,
here.
you
Look
know?
at that.
Yeah. It's what life is, though, you know? It just moves past,
Yep.
and you don't get it back. Was that philosophy?
The Grand Hyatt.
Philosophical?
We got Grand Hyatts here.
Yeah, we do.
I ignored you, by the way.
I know.
I like how he keeps on coming back to this.
It's because it's like the main attraction.
Yeah, it's super cool. It's busy as heck.
People just drive by it just to see it. Not even because
What are
they're...
these people doing? They're like, screw the cones. I'm going anyways.
Yeah.
I think those are probably like cops waiting for people to do something stupid.
Yeah. So I see buses are coming down that lane, so these are bus stops.
Oh, okay, not trains.
Yeah.
It looks wet.
Memphis City, Tennessee.
Memphis City is not a place. It's Memphis, Tennessee.
Well, it's...
I think on the Arkansas side, it's actually Memphis City.
Jakarta's beautiful.
Jakarta is crazy.
I definitely want to travel to Jakarta.
It will be a thing.
Yeah, obviously our first stop, we've said it in multiple videos, is going to be Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. After we leave there, I want our next trip to either be Kuala
West.
Lumpur or
Indonesia.
Jakarta, because it's so beautiful. It's so different. It's definitely a place that I can't wait to visit.
Yeah, no, it's going to happen for sure.
Yeah, Guys, let us know in the comments below if you have any other recommended videos for Indonesia. We miss talking to you guys again.
Yeah, I feel like we just haven't had the connection that we once had. So give us some ideas and just talk to us.
Yeah, talk to us. We're lonely.
Yeah, we love Indonesia. We love the country. We love what we've learned, but we feel like
we
out.
Definitely haven't learned enough, though. So give us some suggestions.
Yeah, so with that being said,
my name's Miles.
My name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace
out.